I've chosen to do my action research project on improving math scores at my school. I've named my project Empowering Educators Strategies for Elevating Math Scores in the Elementary Classroom. Our state report card was released in November, and Magnolia's math proficiency was 62%. So I began to look at data from the current school year. K2 takes 2 assessments. Forefront assesses the numeracy, and Edmentum is the state-approved math assessment for all grades. And as you can see, for kindergarten, proficiency was at 54% and 60%. First grade proficiency was at 37% and 59%. And second grade proficiency was at 51% and 68%. Third, fourth, and fifth grade do take the ACAP assessment, but these are the beginning of the year Edmentum scores at 65.6%, 59.7%, and 79% proficiency. For my purpose, I have chosen to focus on kindergarten, first, and second grade improvement because these grades are the foundational years in mathematical reasoning and understanding. And a strong understanding in numeracy, basic operations, and number sense will contribute to a higher achievement in years to come. For my research, I have chosen 3 questions. First one, does professional development equate to higher achievement in students? Secondly, does math fluency increase math proficiency? And thirdly, how can adaptive programs support students in enhancing their understanding, strategic approaches, and math fluency in mathematics? I found several articles to help me with my project. The first was an interesting finding that the Education Commission of the states published. It said early knowledge of math not only predicts later success in math, but also predicts later reading achievement even better than early reading skills. I thought that was interesting, and one of the main reasons why I chose to do kindergarten, first, and second grade. The second article I found was regarding AMSTI training and its effectiveness. It said students who have teachers that are AMSTI trained show more growth than that compared to those who do not have AMSTI trained teacher. The third article was research on math fluency in first grade, and it said students who rapidly identify solutions to basic problems are proficient in procedural skills to solve more complex problems, determining relations between mathematical element and linking mathematical facts and concepts. And then lastly, I went to Edmentum's website to find research supporting the use of the program. Edmentum, which is also called Exact Path, researched students in Arizona, and the results indicated that the average student can be expected to gain 6 to 19 percentile points in the state assessment from one spring to the next when Exact Path is implemented with fidelity. I started with surveying all the math teachers at our school to look for areas of weakness and also how we could support them. And I found that many teachers thought math fluency was the weakness in many students, and several teachers requested AMSTI training to support them in the classroom. After collecting data from Edmentum and Forefront, I began to make the plan. And AMSTI training is going to be available to all math teachers in the district, and so that is one thing. And then the coaching cycle with Miss Wireman, and she will mostly be focusing on coaching us on the new program of Edmentum. And we're also going to be starting a program called Reflex Math. So the implementation is going to be for all teachers. All teachers in the school will participate, but only kindergarten through second grade students will be monitored for this project. The evaluation will occur in May when final test data is available. This is what we are hoping to achieve. We hope that 80% of our students will work on the Edmentum program 30 minutes a day, and at least 80% of our students in second grade will participate in Reflex Math for 20 minutes per week. and a minimum of one teacher from each grade level meeting with Ms. Wireman to train on momentum. And we hope that we'll have 100% of math teachers receiving AMSTI foundational training. Hopefully, with these things in place, our math scores will increase and our state report card proficiency scales will be higher.